Hi guys, today I'll be making a local dish called Moi Moi. So I'll be having my friends over today and I decided to cook Moi Moi because it's actually fast and it digests quick. We eat it in the evening, in the night, in the morning, also for breakfast, but we are going to be having Moi Moi and packed today because I want them to enjoy something light. So stick with me as I take you through the process. I'm boiling my fish for my Moi Moi. So I seasoned with just salt and pepper. So let me take you guys through the ingredients we'll be using to cook our moi moi today. I have my salt and my seasoning cube, then my oil, crayfish. I also have my boiled titus, mackerel fish, and boiled egg. So, so I'll be adding my salt. Be generous with your salt, my seasoning cube. We're going to be tasting it, and if it's not enough, we'll add more. My crayfish. Enough crayfish. And you bind it with your oil. Make sure you mix it well, just to incorporate everything that you've added. So you can see I left out my boiled titus and the egg because that's the last thing I'll be adding into the moi moi when it's already in the lid. You can see I'm done wrapping my moi moi, and then I added a little water because we are not cooking, we are going to be steaming. If you check under, I kept 2 leaves for the before placing my moi moi in the pot. So I'll show you when I'm done covering it. Hi guys, so I'm done with my pap and I have my unwrapped moi moi here. Unfortunately, my friends are running late, so I'll be doing some tasting. I'm really famished. I need to try it out before we get there. I like to do a bit of pap and a bit of fish, the egg, the crayfish, everything is on point. I can't wait for my friends to join here. I have to finish this, you guys.